Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is my vintage Vespa. Maybe it's not as old as it looks, it's from 1982, but still it's a vintage Vespa, and I use it summertime. It's kind of okay, it's really okay, it's really nice actually to ride it on the summer when the sun is shining and the wind is like a gentle breeze, you know. It's not in perfect condition, but I use it often, and when it looks like this, I'm not afraid to use it, because if it would in mint condition, I would be afraid to use it. I don't want anything that's like an old that belongs to an old museum or something. I want things to use, so I can use them. So that's why it's looking like this. Could fix some scratch and dents, but it's running perfect. I've changed the headlight to one with a clear plastic lens, and I also have a stronger light bulb inside, so I can use it at night. Don't know if you can see now. I've changed the ignition system, so it's modern. It's 12 volts and it's electronic controlled. I got the retarding system as well, so the power in the engine is quite good for being an old moped. But this is my summer daily driver, or almost daily driver, because I live in Sweden and, you know, rain and stuff. Yeah, but here's my Vespa. Cheers.